This is like near the airport of the runway near the airport. The airport is over there. Yeah. That is cool. Yeah, see the hills? The hills of love. La, la, la. Beach. Oh, nice beach. Runway Cafe. We're riding back into town. Copy, just going out the back to turn up. Does it look open? Anyone there? Yeah, there's cars there. We're going to Palace to get us some fish and chips. Any dogs there?
Yep. Yeah, Danny. I got to see what the catch is like. Wait, like 350.
That's little. It's like it's gone down in size, eh?
Yeah, but 350. You can make money. It's just nothing for that.
Well, have you seen them in the shop though? When you buy them, it's not going off here. Yeah, look.
Can I drive down there?
Everywhere.
It's a long walk.
Yeah, go for a walk. Go. Hello, Savan. Have a good exercise. Give me the key.
Yeah. It's got a lock too.
Go for a walk.
Yeah, lock it.
He needs to walk. See you later, buddy. Guess what, guys? I am having fish and chips. And I got me a hot dog on a stick. Now, every time I come here, I always get this. I didn't get tomato sauce. I should have, but
I didn't. No, I'm too lazy to go out and get it.
anyway, guys, it's so nice to have a little, to have the fish and chips happening. Aye. Look. Mmm. 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 Nice. Here guys, have a bite. Mmm. Mmm. I always buy it. Mmm. 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 Oh. Mmm. I know you guys want to see the food. And look at my piece of fish. And hot chips. I'll just put it right here where I can. I'll show you guys. Right. And you see? Fish and chips. Nice and hot too. This is at, no, got here. This is at the Palace. I know the camera's lopsided. Mm. The fish and chips are so hot, I'm scared to eat it straight away. Mm. Mm. See Elvis, they went for a walk, he's back and he's sitting out there. He said he doesn't want to eat because his sister invited us over for lunch. But it doesn't mean I eat now and I can't eat later. No. I can eat now and later. I know, right? What a pig. Mm. So good. I always get this now. So hot. Mm. I'm going to open this one. Need some heat in. Yeah, the sea breeze. Anyway, you gotta break this. Oh, it's so hot. I'll have to get a paper. Now, guys, look at this fish. Can't see it. Focus, 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 focus. Come on, guys, I'll tell you how it goes. It's really good. Oh. Oh. Look at that piece of fish. really nice fish and chip. See, the food is at the palace is really nice, but it's long wait. So if you're really hungry, go somewhere where you can get fast food, really fast food. Because even the fast food is not that fast. But in Paris, if you really like your food and you think it's worth the wait, bring a snack so you can snack while you're waiting. Right. Just a thin slice of fish, and the batter's really nice. I think so. Yeah. I was trying to turn this off. Hey! Kia ora, guys. We're on our way to have lunch at... Oh, no, we're on our way to have dinner at my sister-in-law's house. Yeah. So we made food. And I chased them outside to take the food to the car. Well, I say hello to everyone. Okay, we're on our way now. 4 o'clock, it's 20 to 4. And my sister-in-law don't like to be late. Come on, Elvis, let's go. There's the bus that goes clockwise and anti-clockwise. Yeah, here's the building. That's the name of... Where's it? Oh, it's over there. Okay. There. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Have they patched that hole up? Yes, they have. Good.
Yeah, it's just rocks.
Yeah, the pebbles. Oh, not pebbles, eh? They're little rocks. And this place here, look, it's a container as well. They've made it into a house. Oh, yeah, well, look, we just need someone to make a container into a house. Oh, yeah. That could even be me and you's house. A container. Oh, look at the little V's. Oh, there's V's on a thing, but there's nothing. Okay, where we gotta park? Back there?
Over there.
Okay. Oh, look, they're growing in some cabbages. So this one is fennel. Beetroot. Look at that, guys. That's a oh. And the red cabbage. Yeah. Yeah, so this is Chanado's niece's apartments. She had these made this year. I think it was in May. She had it all built. Yeah. Oh, look at my fans. You got a Faye. Look at him. He just come and fan my fans. Hey, Elvis, watch out for my fans.
What?
Yeah, come with Abby. And then you lock the door. Because you have to hold it with... Give me the key, I'll lock the door. Yeah, okay. Do I need anything for my bag? No? Oh, no, yes, I do. I need my camera. I'll take my bag. I don't have to be holding the camera all the time. Oh, look, it's so sandy on the floor. But we'll have that clean before we take the car back. Oh, what's all that? Any fruits? Any vegetables, I mean? Oh, look at the garden. See, that's the beach down there, and you can hear it. No, nice. You can just come outside. Ooh, something smells nice. See, look. How beautiful is that down there? Oh, look at the outdoor shower. I nearly broke my fingers. Oh my gosh.
I'm not doing like this. Just sitting around. Watching the ladies at work, watching the ladies working.
Hello, sister. That was a mission.
I'm up the steps.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, look at the bouquet. Yeah.
So did you manage to get some donuts?
Yes, we bought a lot.
What?
We bought all of it.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, because we. Oh well. He had 4, I had 4, and then we took the rest to my brother. Oh, the cream donuts. Yum. I wanted to keep them all, but I know I had to share. You're making the mayonnaise for the potato salad.
I was saying to you, we should have gone and bought some, what you call the best food. It's better. But too late now.
Oh, well, that tastes the best anyway, yeah.
I hope so.
Oh.
Well, they tried some new places. They should never leave that first highway. It is a very good place.
I don't know whether I leave too much for the plants.
I'm just going to walk outside, guys. Oh my gosh, I needed that breath of air. I got puffed out and I'm still puffed out. Okay, looking cool, Pretend I'm not puffed. Beach down there. No wonder they call this place paradise. So beautiful. There's someone down there. It's really nice. Very, very nice.
Okay, so
Oh, look how big the showers are. There's 2 showers. Look, you can have your own shower without arguing. Hurry up, get out of the shower. What's that? Just only 1 bedroom apartment, guys, anyway. That's my husband's sister, older sister. See?
Play sister. What am I getting here, ma?
Is there fish brought down here?
nah, but so it's not poison.
So we're very safe.
Yep, yep.
Okay. Look at that nice food, guys.
Children, my God.
Yeah.
I better put my camera away because it's time for action. And that's eating. Do you know I couldn't tape on this last night because I had it on some setting and it was so black, so I went home and I played around with it. Now it films really nice and bright,
Yeah.
even in sort of dark places. Oh, it's so dark. I couldn't even see dark like it hurt.
But it was alright, they're not really.
But lucky I used my phone and I got that girl that was dancing and she had to part with her father. Oh, I keep watching it all day today.
Yeah.
It's sad.
Yeah, we got the name to the wrong Titira.
Oh, hi.
But you got a different.
Oh, okay, I'll send it to Carmen and then she can send it to Heinz.
We came in early.
My brother's leaving to go to Australia my brother's leaving to go back to New Zealand with his family. That's my nephew over there, Rico. That's my brother over there. And that's Calvin's dad right there. And there's Elvis talking beside him. Yeah, so we just come to say goodbye. Okay, guys? Okay, gotta go now. That's my foot.